Welcome to American English with Sushil.
At the railway station. Excuse me, is this the platform for the Delhi Express?
Yes, it is. The train should arrive in about 10 minutes.
Thanks. Do you travel by this train often?
Yes, I take it every month to visit my family.
That's nice. Is it usually on time?
Mostly yes, but sometimes it gets delayed during the rainy season.
Oh, I see. Do they announce delays here?
Yes, you'll hear it on the loudspeaker.
Perfect. I'll wait here then.
Sure, it shouldn't take long.
At the airport. Hi, is this the check-in counter for Flight 302 to New York?
Yes, it is. Are you traveling alone?
Yeah, it's my first time flying alone.
Oh, don't worry. It's easy once you pass the security check.
Thanks. Do I need to remove my laptop during security?
Yes, and also take off your shoes and belt.
Got it. What about liquids?
Only small bottles under 100 milliliters are allowed.
That's helpful. Thanks for the tips.
You're welcome. Have a safe flight.
At the salon. Hi, do you have time for a haircut right now?
Yes, we do. Would you like a trim or a full haircut?
Just a trim, please. Not too short.
Got it. Would you like to wash your hair before the cut?
Yes, that would be nice. How long will it take?
Around 20 minutes, including the wash.
Sounds good. I'll wait here.
Sure, I'll be ready for you in a moment.
Shopping for clothes. Excuse me, do you think this shirt looks good on me?
Yes, it does. The color suits you perfectly.
I wasn't sure about the size. Does it look too tight?
Not at all. It fits just right, comfortable and stylish.
Great! I can't decide between the blue one and the white one.
I'd say go with the blue one. It looks fresh and modern.
Yeah, I like that one too. Are there any discounts today?
Yes, there's a 20% sale on shirts. It's a good deal.
Perfect! I'll grab this one. Thanks for helping me decide.
No problem. You've got good taste.
At the grocery store. Excuse me, where can I find the dairy products?
They're in aisle 4, near the end.
Thanks. Do they have low-fat milk here?
Yes, you'll find it on the top shelf, blue packaging.
Perfect. I also need some bread.
That's in aisle 2, right next to the cookies.
You really know this store well.
I come here every week.
Nice. I think I've got everything now.
Great! The billing counter's on your left.
In a taxi. Good morning. Can you please take me to Green Street?
Sure, ma'am. Do you want to go by the main road or the shortcut?
Which one is faster at this time?
The shortcut saves around 10 minutes, but the road is a bit narrow.
That's fine. I'm not in a hurry. Just drive safely.
Don't worry, ma'am. I always drive carefully.
How long will it take to reach?
Around 20 minutes, depending on the traffic.
All right. Do you drive every day?
Yes, I start early in the morning and finish by evening.
That sounds tiring.
It is, but I enjoy meeting new people every day.
Talking with friends. Hey, it's been so long. How are you?
I'm good. I can't believe I ran into you here.
Yeah, what are you doing around this area?
Just some shopping. What about you?
I was heading to the gym. You still go there?
Not really. I've been so busy lately.
Same here. We should hang out sometime.
Definitely. Let's plan for this weekend.
That sounds perfect. I'll text you later.
Great. I'll be waiting.
At the restaurant. Hi, could you recommend something from the menu?
Sure. If you like spicy food, the grilled chicken pasta is amazing.
That sounds great. How about the soup of the day?
It's tomato basil today, and it's really tasty.
Nice. Do they serve desserts here?
Yes, their cheesecake is very popular. You should try it.
Thanks for the suggestion. Do you come here often?
Yes, I love this place. The food and service are always good.
I can see why. The atmosphere feels cozy.
Exactly. That's what makes it my favorite.
At the school canteen. What are you having for lunch today?
I'm having a sandwich and some juice.
That looks good. Is it from the new canteen?
Yes, and the food tastes much better now.
Really? I've been eating from the old one.
You should try this one. It's cleaner and fresher.
I'll go there tomorrow then.
Good idea. You'll like it for sure.
At the movie theater. Hey, which movie do you want to watch today?
Let's watch the new action movie. It looks exciting.
What time does it start?
At 6:30, we should get the tickets soon.
Okay, should I buy them online or at the counter?
Online is better. We can also choose good seats.
Great! Do you want popcorn too?
Of course. What's a movie without popcorn?